Tax 267 Question 2. Ladies Event Enterprise. Hamdi is the owner of the business. The company have 2 employees, which is Zahidi and Azri. Hamdi sent Form B for income tax 4-year assessment 2023 on 12 June 2024. On 31st August 2024, Form JA, Hamid failed to report rental income of 24,000 ringgit during a desk audit, resulting in additional assessment. Hamid intends to file an appeal. Hamid intends to go on vacation abroad before paying his additional amount of his additional tax. Explain in brief 2 monthly tax deduction related offences committed by Hamdi as an employer. Failure to deduct monthly tax deduction in accordance with monthly tax deduction table under deduction. Based on calculation, Hamid under deducted monthly tax deduction for both Zahidi RM18.20 and Azri RM23.80 for year assessment 2024. Under Section 107 of the Income Tax Act 1967, any employer fails to deduct monthly tax deduction in accordance with the monthly tax deduction rules, the amount that should have been deducted becomes a debt due from the employer to the government. Additionally, a penalty of income under deducted amount may be imposed. Failure to remit monthly tax deduction by in due date. The remittance due date is the 20 in the following months. The monthly tax deduction paid for year assessment 2004 is the total. The question implies that some monthly tax deduction was paid, but it was underpaid. Even if some amount were remitted, if they were consistently underpaid throughout the year, if any monthly remit was late, it constitutes an offence. Discuss briefly how Hamdi can file an appeal for undeclared rental income for year assessment 2023. IRBM will review the appeal and may request further information or document needed from Hamdi. He needs to submit the complete Form Q along with another supporting documents that IRBM issued from Form IRBM. Hamdi received the assessment Form IA on August 2024. This form is to notify him of the additional tax liability due to the undeclared rental income. Hamdi must file an appeal using Form Q. This form is used to appeal against an assessment by the General Director of IRBM. Discuss briefly any possibilities regarding Hamdi's plan to travel abroad before paying his additional tax. Taxpayer will be liable RM200, fines RM20 or imprisonment for months, or can be both of them. A police officer or an immigration officer may arrest without warrant any person when he reasonably suspect or committing or about to commit offence under Section 104.